Hello my fans. Due to popular demand, another tutorial video is coming right your way right now. I was thinking, how should I step off the edge into the world of vlogging? And I thought, why not make a story and have a tutorial of how to make a book? So I'm going to teach you how to make a tiny book. So what do you need? You need 2 to 3 things. First, you need a small piece of paper or sticky note. Second, you need scissors. And then third, you need a pen, maroon. First things first, gotta get the sticky stuff off. Can't have that. That's just, no one wants the sticky stuff. So you just cut that off. Perfect. Look at that. Looks good already. Could be a book already. You use this and you gotta fold it. So we're gonna fold it here. Look at that. Look at that crease. Look at that crease. Should arts and crafts. And you fold it again, just like that, until it looks like a little book. Whoa, but it only has 2 pages. No book is good if only 2 pages. So what do? Scissors again. You go on ahead and cut the 2 tops right there. You cut it, all right, all the way down to the middle, and then you do it to the other side. Oh, that is perfection. I'm so good at what I do. And voila, you have your book. Now you have to write your book. What do you want to write about? What makes you get up in the morning? Well, for me, it's lots of different things. Piata. I guess that's it. All right. That's what we're going to write about today. So I'm going to name it. What would be an intriguing book title? If you're looking through Barnes & Noble or someone's bookshelf and you're like, I want to read that next. That caught my eye. I don't know. Piata. It rhymes with Miata. Miatas aren't cool. Those are lame cars. Let's not use that. Once upon a Piata. That's it. All right, let's write that down. Once upon a Piata. Look at that. Look at that. That is great. That is going to get everyone's attention. You open up to the first page. What are we going to say? What are we going to say? What is going to capture people to continue reading our book? Let's just say, I walked to my local Piata on a sunny day. All right, that's done. Now we need to get to the second page. What happens? We need some characters here. The only character so far is myself, so we're just gonna build myself up. 200 IQ. I walk into the restaurant, order the usual, then something unexpected happened. What happened? What gets the people going? Obviously, I know what that is. John Wall walks. That's all you need for that page. What's better than that? So we're just going to leave it at that for that page. And then for our fourth page, what's next? We eat lunch together and head to a court nearby. All right, we only have 2 pages left, so what happens? how about this? We played basketball and shared some laughs. I mean, who doesn't like a good laugh, especially with, your friends? That's how we're going to end it. Last page. We became great friends. We became great friends. Let's just leave it at that. And then you go to the bottom, the end. And that is how you make a book. Let's go through it once. Let's just go through it once. A little story time. Once upon a piazza, I walked into my local piazza on a sunny day. I walked into the restaurant, ordered the usual, then something unexpected happened. John Wall walks in. We eat lunch together and head to a court nearby. We played basketball and shared some laughs, and we became great friends. The end. Fans, this is my first vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. This is how you write a book. A tiny book, but a book nonetheless. Now, go out and pursue your dreams and capture people's attentions and their hearts like I just did now. Thank you, and have a wonderful rest of your day.